Quaba. Welcome back to Diane's channel. Season's greetings. I have returned to Tema Fish Bay and I'm here about my business, which is to get fresh fish. One of the things that you will see is a mode of transportation that's up and down in the fish bay is the Pragia. And I'm going to experience riding on the Pragia. And we have Eben here. Eben, say hi.
Hi.
Yes, so Eben is going to take me around the market. And I'm going to see how it feels. Please don't drive too fast with me. So guys, I'm just going to give you a little tour of the market in this Pragia. And then when we head back, we definitely going to get that fish. All right, Eben, let's go. Let's go. You do this. So guys, we are at one end of the market. So I'm taking the Pragia for you to. So you're coming along with me and you're going to feel every bump. What you're feeling or what you're seeing in the footage, just imagine feeling it. Because it goes up and down and we can literally hold our hands on this. Yeah? And the Pragia can seat, I will say, 4 persons comfortably. Yeah? 2 here and 2 on this side. So let's have a view as we take our time moving along. I can tell you the market is very big. Definitely more persons are here now at this time than when I came earlier on. And we're going up and down, yeah, that's the road. We're approaching another Pragia, so you'll see here, you know, he's transporting this lady with her stuff. They move pretty fast. Oops. Oops. Dried fish out.